Hey babe, what's that place that you were showing me that you wanted to go to?
Right here.
Alright, that place looks cool. We should go.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Alright, we're at the Upper Lewis Falls trail right now. We want to go to the lower one. That one's the one that looks cool, but there's no parking, so yeah, we found a spot and might have to hike all the way down there and go to all the trails over here. I think there's an upper, middle, and lower. So
feeling a little car sick.
Yeah, there's a lot of windy roads
and potholes.
Couple minutes into our hike, we already came across some water. It's really pretty.
But it's cold.
It's freezing?
Freezing. Just got to Upper Lewis Falls. Super pretty, and we're getting close to Middle and Lower Falls.
We made it to the Middle Falls. We're almost to our destination to the lower. We got 1.6 miles to the lower trail and we are just dying. It's so hot and humid. We're both just dripping sweat.
Yeah, I'm dead.
All right, we finally made it to the lower falls. It looks amazing. We got our water shoes on. We're gonna go walk across this water and possibly get in.
Yeah, buddy.
You gonna get in?
Possibly.
Come on, babe.
I'm going knee deep.
We're knee deep. Oh yeah, babe, let's go.
Huh?
Let's go. Yeah, these shoes came in clutch. Come on, babe, you can do it. All right. Hopefully I don't fall. Because if I do, the camera is gonna break.
Where do I walk now?
You just gotta feel for it. You gotta feel with your leg.
Huh?
Just gotta feel around with your feet. Oh, we're good now, we're good now. Well, time to say goodbye. It's been real. I wish we could have stayed longer, but really dope waterfall. Whew. I think we got like a 4-mile hike back. It's gonna be rough. All right, so we made it back. I don't know how long this hike was. I will drop it somewhere down right here. But it was super long.
Like it was at least 9 miles.
The way there was a little bit harder, but still, like, it was rough.
Yeah.
If you can park down by the lower area,
Definitely do that.
prime time. There was people that were doing that. I don't know if you have to pay to camp there or what, but
Seemed clutch.
it was worth it. The coolest part was the lower area. Upper and middle, yeah.
I don't know, that part was cool.
They were cool, but not as cool as the other one.
Yeah.
The upper one was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah, highly recommend. But if you can, park by the lower.
Now we got this 3.5 hour drive home.
All right, we will catch you on our next adventure.